कुछ पाने की हो आस खास, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसी दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
Namaste. Hi, my name is Krishangee Sharma Kashyap.
I am 21 years old. My height is 5 feet.
I am a true believer and devotee of Radha Krishna.
I am a fresher. I am from Assam. I know 3 languages: Assamese, Hindi and English. My hobbies are singing, dancing, listening to music, painting, and also I love to hear Radha Krishna's Vani.
I was about 3 or 4 years old when I asked my mom if the people on TV lived next to it. She always told me yes, and I always believed it. When the TV's mechanic came to fix it, I would look for them behind the TV, but I never found anyone. Since then, I have had this burning desire to peek into the incredibly fascinating world that lies behind the television. And yes, I am very grateful to Tarunabh sir and TD Film Studio for giving me this great chance to take my first step in that direction and prove to myself that I can do it. Impossible itself says I am possible. I will be thankful to them forever. And please keep blessing me. It means a lot to me. I am a girl who is very happy, crazy, emotional, very sensitive and outgoing. I have a strong faith in God. Take every chance they give me and try to do my best. I hope that when I am on TV, you will love to watch me. Keep blessing me.
And here is my profile. Left profile, front profile, right profile. Thank you.